الله أعلم.
I think 7.
10, 11.
I don't know.
I'm gonna guess 7. I'm gonna guess 14.
The stuff that we did today really just taught me new opportunities about coding, new opportunities about robotics, and it just showed me how our country is advancing in metro and transportation. And I just wanted to thank the Airbus Foundation for giving me this opportunity.
This workshop was very good and interesting, and I learned a lot of new skills like programming and constructing the metro. And thank you, Airbus Foundation.
And today we coded the metro system to take us from one place to another. Thank you, Airbus Foundation.